Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sachin Aivale. I am an orthopedic surgeon and today we are going to speak about a hot topic, that is sports injuries and how to prevent sports injuries. Sports, either recreational or competitive, can be a fun, an ideal way to socialize and maintain fitness. It improves your mood, concentration and sleep habits. It also helps in reducing stress and depression, boosting your self-confidence and maintaining a healthy weight. However, sporting activity may result in injuries. The common sports injuries include sprains and strains, joint injuries of knee, shoulder, ankle, muscle injuries, dislocations, fractures, Achilles tendon injuries, pain along the shin of bone, etc. Causes of sports injuries may include improper or poor training practices, wearing improper sporting gear, being in poor health condition, incorrect warm-up or stretching practices before a sporting event or exercise. Here are some of the things you shall follow to prevent the sports injuries. Choose the right sport. Make sure the sports you do are safe and appropriate for you. For example, while weight-bearing exercises such as aerobics and jogging are great activities for most people, they may not be the good choices for the people who have certain joint conditions. In general, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor before starting a sports or exercise program. Be in proper physical condition. Before you engage in sports or training, always keep in mind that you should be in a proper physical condition. You should maintain cardiovascular fitness by keeping your heart health as optimized as possible. You'll be better able to handle the rigors of the sports. Perform regular conditioning exercises that are designed specifically for your sport. Moreover, train slowly but surely. You do not learn any sports overnight. To condition your body, you need to undergo training. Wear protective gear. You cannot tell if you will encounter accidents or emergencies in the middle of the game. You should wear appropriate and properly fit protective equipment such as pads for the neck, shoulder, elbow, chest, knee and shin, helmets, mouthpieces, face guards, protective cuffs and eyewear. Young athletes should not assume that protective gear will prevent all injuries while performing the most dangerous or risky activities. Running shoes are also designed to improve your performance and decrease your risk to knee and foot injuries. Warm up before playing. Warming up is must before you engage into sport. It prepares your mind, body and heart for the training or the sport. Warming up gradually raises your heart rate, warms your muscle and connective tissue, improves your mobility and promotes functionality of all body's movements. It also allows entry of oxygen to your muscles, tendons, ligaments and flexible joints, among others. Have enough sleep. Sleep plays a vital part in your recovery, which is vital in your overall training program and optimal performance. Sleep can make you stronger and will prevent you from fatigue, poor judgment and certain injuries. Even famous athletes get 12 hours of sleep per night. Improve techniques based on the principles of biomechanics. The most effective way of improving your performance is by improving your techniques. Your physical build is just a small factor in your performance. The coordination of your body movement is important in performing well in different kinds of sports. Keep hydrated. Our body is composed of 60% of water. When we exercise or we do sport, we lose this water. Thus, we need to replace those water through proper hydration. According to sports dietitians, water is essential in maintaining blood volume, regulating body temperature, and allowing muscle contractions. Apart from water, hydrating drinks that are rich in electrolytes are recommended for athletes. Cool down. If warming up is important, cooling down is also essential. After working out or training, you have to spend at least 10 minutes of performing gentle exercises that will return your heart rate to normal pace. By cooling down, You are allowing your body to remove excess waste and allow the flow of oxygen and nutrients into your muscle. Eat healthy. Diet and proper nutrition are the important for athletes. A good nutrition plan is the foundation of an effective fitness program. For athlete, it is important that they eat regular small meals to fuel their training or sport. They should also take protein to promote muscle health. The use of antioxidant, multivitamins, and micro and macronutrients cannot be neglected. See a sports therapist. Lastly, it is necessary that you see your sports therapist very often so that they can check your health. They will tell you if your body is keeping up with the demands of your sports or not. They are the expert in teaching you how to improve your performance and how to prevent you from injuries. By taking these smart steps to avoid and address injuries, you can set the stage for a lifelong healthy love of sports.